welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to quickly install a bathroom mirror. By following these steps, you should be able to save yourself about $75 on the install of the glass in your bathroom renovation. After measuring the size of mirror that I wanted, I called up my local glass and mirror shop and they were able to cut it to size for me. I even was able to get them to deliver it for me for free to my house, so that I didn't have to worry about the transport and potentially breaking it. Now I've already started the install process by installing 2 of these clips at the base of the mirror. Now these go in really simple. There's just some drywall anchors that you use. There's a screw to secure them. And then there's a little bit of sort of foam tape that sits right down in the base of these that the mirror actually sits on. Now these clips you can also get through the same glass and mirror supplier that you're getting your glass from. They'll have plenty of these in stock, and for this case they just threw it in with the price of the mirror. So here I got the glass ready to go installed. So I got 2 strips of the butyl tape on the left and right side, and then I've got that construction sort of glazing adhesive there in 5 spots down the center. So the butyl tape will help hold it in place while the other glazing adhesive dries. We didn't crack the mirror. Everything's looking installed. My measurements are correct, so we'll just have to stand here for a few more minutes, make sure it's properly secured and not going to tilt back off the wall, and we'll be good to go and saved ourselves 75 bucks. So a couple minutes is all you need to do to actually hold these things on. The butyl tape does a really good job of creating that temporary bond while the other glue sets up. So I'm going to leave this now set up, and hope you join me in the next one.